Luckily, we had a financial stability framework that enabled us to take the right measures since March 2020. So we have implemented broad support programs which have protected companies, have protected jobs, and also family incomes. And that has given us a very strong basis for this recovery. All analysts and international institutions foresee Spain to be one of the engines for growth in Europe, to be the fastest large economy in Europe, the strongest growing economy in 2022, with an average growth rate around 5% in 2021 to 2023. And that provides us with a very good opportunity to continue to increase good quality jobs, and so continue to reduce some of the imbalances that have been dragging growth and prosperity for decades in Spain, and notably unemployment. You're right to point out, I think this is remarkable, the strength of our labor market recovery. We have reached more than 20 million persons employed. The unemployment rate has dropped to 13.3%, and these are levels that were not seen since the financial crisis that started in 2008.
It is remarkable. Just finally, of course, I must ask you about inflation, but Spain specific, where is it being felt most, and is the ECB doing enough to rein this in?
Well, as I said a moment ago, I think that more than inflation rates per se, which should not be so surprising when we have such a strong economic rebound, Spain is below the EU average in any case, so we're not losing competitiveness vis-a-vis our main trading partners. But I think the most worrying element is the underlying real economy causes. And one has to do with energy prices, and this obviously has a very direct impact on companies' competitiveness and families' welfare if it passes on to retail markets. So we should really avoid a worst case scenario that continues to press prices upwards in international global energy markets. And the second concern has to do with global value chains and the bottlenecks in supply of essential inputs such as micro semiconductors in the last months. I do hope that these elements are subdued, reduced in the course of the year. The ECB and the other international central banks foresee that inflationary pressures will moderate in the course of 2022. But we really have to tackle the underlying causes if we want to ensure that this is not dragging this very strong recovery, which should help us also overcome fully the pandemic and avoid any structural impacts going forward.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.